Hey everyone, if LDPlayer feels slow or laggy on your PC, you're definitely not alone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix LDPlayer lag step by step in 2026 so your games run smoother and more stable. Yeah, even on mid-range computers. First, make sure virtualization is enabled on your computer, restart your PC, enter BIOS settings, and enable Intel VTX or AMDV. This is the most important step because LDPlayer depends heavily on virtualization for performance. Next, open LDPlayer settings and go to the performance section. Increase CPU cores and RAM allocation based on your system specs. For most PCs, 4 cores and 4 gigabytes of RAM work smoothly. Now switch the graphics rendering mode. Try OpenGL first, and if lag continues, test DirectX. Different PCs perform better with different modes, so yeah, testing both helps find the best result. Open Windows Power Settings and select High Performance Mode. This allows your CPU and GPU to run at full speed instead of saving power. Outdated graphics drivers can cause heavy lag. Update your GPU drivers from the official NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel website to improve emulator performance. Close unnecessary programs running in the background. Apps like browsers or recording software use RAM and CPU resources, which can slow down LDPlayer. Inside your game settings, reduce graphics quality, shadows, or frame rate options. Lower settings usually give a big FPS boost, especially on weaker systems. Finally, open LDPlayer settings and clear cache files or temporary data. Cleaning unused files helps improve loading speed and overall performance. And that's it. Now you know how to fix LDPlayer lag in 2026 step by step. Try these optimizations together and yeah, your emulator should run much smoother. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.